guys. Poodle po. Big poodle. Giant poodle. Come here. Look guys. Hi Egypt. Come here. Wait lang. Oh my God. Wait lang. Shh, wait lang. Hi, Rins. Lakad-lakad lang. This is my date, guys. His name is, London. London, come here. Come here. Ba't parang mali? May mali. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ayan. Do you know? Yeah. Why? Here. Cute. This is my date, guys. His name is pinalito na mani. Kasi kumain kami, guys. Tapos, doon na kami kumain. Makulit siya. Yan siya. Thank you, Gerald. Okay. At nandiyan ba yung... Lona, come here. Wait. Ayan na, sige. Wait lang, nakayos ako. Wait lang. Dito ka. Come here. Come here. London, come here. Come here. Let's go. Bomba na eh. Lakad-lakad lang. Ka mapapagod mo sa mayan. So, bago sa pumunta, pagod na ako. Bye-bye. Tawag ka, London, ah. London. Tawag ka.
Ganda, no?
Sakit pa din ako, guys. Siya. Dito tayo.
alone.
Tatayo natin. Lalayo tayo dito, please. Yan. Hi, Kuya Sandro. Look, London, look. London, come here. Wait lang, yung tali. Guys, wait. Balik na tayo. Balik na kami, guys. Hello, Troy. Panganiba na lang. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go.
So you build that wall, says you build that wall, and you make it stronger.
Here, come here.
You have no right
Ah!
to ask me how I feel.
Ow! Hello, Prince. Oh my gosh! Yung heels ko, wait lang. Wait lang! Wait! Ako yung hinahatak niya eh.
Baka may plastic bowl kayo. Ah.
Oh my God, baby.
Pero pa siya. Sabi dito sa review. Kaya to, sir?
Ay, London. London, tawag ka, London.
Kakaligo lang ba nito?
Yes.
Si Chopper bukas.
Ate boy, ate bumili ka ng ano? Malapit lang sa inyo yun eh.
Wala nga.
Hindi kong kulong.
Wala.
Pet lunch ba yun? Kulong na gusto.
Kailang saluda kami, finish ka. Every time, gulong natin si, copper. After nun, hindi na rin na sa lahat.
Amoy mo ate, amoy mo ko yun.
Amoy vanilla. No?
Amoy vanilla.